Imagine stepping out on a hot summer day, ready for a refreshing swim, only to find your pool littered with leaves and debris. Pool maintenance is essential, but few pool owners relish the hours spent scrubbing, vacuuming, and cleaning. Fortunately, technology has delivered two powerful solutions: robotic pool cleaners and suction-side pool cleaners. Both promise sparkling water with less effort, but they differ in how they work, their costs, and the experience they deliver. Here's a deep dive into how these two types of cleaners stack up, helping you decide which is best for your pool and lifestyle. Effort and ease of use. Robotic pool cleaners are the epitome of convenience. They are plug-and-play devices. Simply drop the unit into the pool, press a button, and let it get to work. These cleaners operate independently of your pool's filtration system, using their own motors and filters. Many modern models feature smart navigation and can even be controlled via smartphone apps, allowing you to schedule cleanings or monitor progress from anywhere. Maintenance is straightforward. Just remove and rinse the internal filter or cartridge when full. Suction-side pool cleaners, by contrast, rely on your pool's existing pump and filtration system. Setup involves attaching the cleaner to the pool's skimmer or a dedicated suction line, which can take a bit more time and effort. Once connected, the cleaner moves automatically around the pool, but its path is typically random and may require occasional manual intervention to ensure complete coverage. Since debris is sent directly to the pool's filter, you'll also need to clean your filter more frequently. Cleaning effectiveness. Robotic cleaners excel in thoroughness and versatility. They are equipped with powerful brushes, advanced suction, and intelligent navigation systems that allow them to clean not just the pool floor, but also walls and the waterline. Some high-end models even offer multiple filter options to capture everything from fine dust to large leaves. Their smart mapping ensures efficient, comprehensive coverage, leaving little to chance. Suction-side cleaners are effective for routine cleaning, especially for dirt and small debris. They move around the pool using the suction created by the pool pump, collecting debris and sending it to the pool's filtration system. While some models can climb walls, their cleaning path is less predictable, and they may miss spots or struggle with larger debris. Their performance can also be affected by the strength and condition of your pool's pump and filter. Cost. Upfront cost is one of the most significant differences between these two types of cleaners. Robotic pool cleaners generally require a higher initial investment. Their advanced technology, independent motors, and smart features come at a premium. However, they tend to have lower ongoing costs because they don't rely on your pool's pump or filter, reducing wear and tear on those systems. Suction-side cleaners are the most affordable automatic pool cleaning option on the market. They have a lower purchase price and don't require additional equipment or power sources. However, their reliance on the pool's filtration system can lead to increased maintenance costs over time, including more frequent filter cleaning and potentially earlier replacement of pool pumps or filters. Power consumption. Robotic pool cleaners are energy efficient. They operate using their own low-voltage power supply, consuming far less electricity than running a pool pump for extended periods. Because they don't depend on the pool's filtration system, they also help reduce overall energy use and operational costs. Suction-side cleaners, on the other hand, increase the load on your pool's pump. The pump must run while the cleaner is operating, which can lead to higher energy bills, especially if the cleaner is used frequently or for long periods. Over time, this added strain can also contribute to pump wear. Pool circulation. One area where suction-side cleaners shine is pool circulation. By drawing water from the pool floor and sides into the filtration system, they help circulate water throughout the pool, promoting even distribution of chemicals and improved sanitation. This can be particularly beneficial in pools with dead spots or poor circulation. Robotic cleaners, while excellent at cleaning surfaces, have a limited effect on overall pool circulation. They filter water through their internal system and return it to the pool, but they don't move water through the main filtration system as suction-side cleaners do. If optimal circulation is a priority, suction side cleaners have the edge. Maintenance. Robotic pool cleaners are self-contained and require little ongoing maintenance. Their internal filters or debris cartridges are easy to access and clean. Just remove, rinse, and replace. Because they don't send debris to the pool's main filter, they help reduce the frequency of filter cleaning and backwashing. Suction side cleaners are bagless, sending all debris directly to the pool's filter. While this means you don't have to empty a debris bag, it does result in more frequent filter maintenance. Clogged filters can reduce cleaning effectiveness and put additional strain on your pool's pump. Technology and features. Robotic cleaners are packed with advanced features. Many offer programmable cleaning cycles, smart navigation, wall climbing, waterline scrubbing, and app-based controls. Some models even allow you to swap out different filter types depending on the season or type of debris in your pool. Suction side cleaners are simpler by design. Their operation is typically limited to random movement patterns, and they lack the smart features and programmability of robotic models. Some higher-end suction cleaners can climb walls or have improved navigation, but they remain less sophisticated overall. Suitability and pool compatibility. Robotic pool cleaners are ideal for pool owners seeking convenience, thorough cleaning, and advanced features. They are especially useful for pools with complex shapes, steps, or heavy debris loads. Their independence from the pool's filtration system makes them suitable for any pool type, and their programmability means less time spent on maintenance. Suction side cleaners are best for budget-conscious owners with simple pool layouts and moderate cleaning needs. They are effective for routine maintenance and work well in pools where water circulation is a concern. However, pools with frequent large debris or heavy leaf fall may require more frequent manual intervention or filter cleaning. Final thoughts. Both robotic and suction side pool cleaners offer significant advantages over manual cleaning, but they cater to different needs and preferences. Robotic pool cleaners deliver unmatched convenience, advanced cleaning capabilities, and reduced wear on pool equipment, making them a top choice for those willing to invest a bit more upfront for long-term savings and superior performance. Suction side pool cleaners remain the most affordable entry point for automatic cleaning, improving pool circulation and fitting seamlessly into your existing pool system, but with some trade-offs in maintenance and cleaning thoroughness. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your pool's unique requirements, your budget, and how much time you want to spend maintaining your backyard oasis. For some, a hybrid or crossover model that combines the strengths of both may offer the perfect solution. Whatever you choose, both options promise more time enjoying your pool and less time cleaning it.